The online international Kulla Asman online art competition 2021 art competition highlights include 24/7 online submission open for all age groups and nationalities. Submit drawings, paintings, cartoons, doodles, sketches, poster, digital art, college, etc. Use any drawing or painting medium of choice. You have freedom to select subject, theme. Quarterly contest closes every 3 months and new contest will open. Artwork sizes A5, A4, A3 size and or postcard. Each participant can download a certificate of participation, and all participants to our contest will get access to exclusive videos we are creating for participants. Shortlisted winners and artworks qualify for further award of medals and special certificates of honorable mentions and more. We created a dedicated web page for you. You can keep adding your new artworks. Your artwork will be promoted and put out for sale on India Art Portal. We encouraged all short art listed artists to talk about art. These audios and images of artwork will be promoted actively on our social media channels. Now let us see the competition themes. You may do abstract, animal, architecture, birds, boats, Buddha, chai, children, color, cityscapes, conceptual, etc. There are many themes. You can do any theme you like. There is no specific theme. Now we will go to the frequently asked questions. FAQ means frequently asked questions. So let us see some. What kind of artwork can be submitted? Drawings, paintings, cartoons, doodles, sketches, posters and digital art can be submitted. Contest is conducted by Kulla Asman and is aimed at encouraging child art, child artists, student artists, young artists, youth art students, as well as elders, including senior citizens, to express themselves through art. Different age groups include kids 1 to 5 years, children 5 to 15 years, young adults 15 to 30 years, adults 30 to 60 years, and senior citizens who are 60 years and above. What is size of artwork? For there is postcard A5 sheet, which is 14.81 or by 21.01 centimeters. 20 A4 sheet in which 21 by 29.7 centimeters, or A3 size in which 29.7 multiplied by 42 centimeter. What medium can be used? You can use any medium of your choice. There's no restriction on use of medium. It could be regular pencils, colored pencils, graphite pencils, charcoal, crayons, sketch pens, oil pastels, watercolors, acrylic colors, oil colors, digital art, etc. You can also use a canvas. If you use a canvas, please ensure that you leave a margin of 2 inches as well on all sides for stretching. You can submit digital art as well. The submission will be online. This means you will have to submit a scanned image or a good quality picture of your artwork along with relevant details such as title of artwork, medium used, size, and a brief description about artwork. Please do not send your artwork only when original artworks, that is straightly by courier or mail, unless they ask for it, unless the organizers ask for it. Each participant can submit a maximum of 5 entries at a time. These entries can be across multiple themes as you wish. You have total freedom. What happens after you submit the entries? Kulla Asman contest works on quarterly cycle. Every quarter, the jury of the competition draws a shortlist from each group. The shortlist is published on our website as well as in our blog and social media pages. Benefits of getting shortlisting in Kulla Asman competition includes you will get medals, certificates, honorable mentions and more. Now we will see the terms and conditions. Kulla Asman is a registered trademark which is owned by a link indiaart.com PVT Ltd. The participants of Kulla Asman competition create the original artwork only. Submitted image should not be copy or plagiarized by any other artwork. It encourages creative expression and originality of ideas. We discourage any kind of copy. If at any stage it is relieved some entry submitted is copy of an existing work, the copied entry will not be taken into further evaluation and will be disqualified. We sincerely request all parents to allow children to do their own artwork and not assist children in any way in creating artworks while submitting to the Kulla Asman India Art International Online Art Competition. Jury of Kulla Asman International Online Contest will take care of shortlisting and final evaluation of artworks. The decisions of jury will be final. No queries or representations regarding art contest result will be entertained. All original shortlisted artworks will be required to be sent to India Art by the respective participant after receiving intimation of the shortlisted. No payment will be made for any shortlisted artwork that is sent to India Art. India Art will promote all shortlisted artworks on its social media pages and also create and manage dedicated web page for each participant. India Art will create a dedicated web page for each shortlisted participant, and this web page will be managed for a period of 3 years. Each shortlisted participant will be expected to send an audio recording in her own voice describing the artwork. We are looking for original thoughts by the creator in the audio and not a text written by somebody else. Every participant in the art contest will be able to receive a certificate of participant. Those who are eligible will get the digital copy of certificate downloaded from our website. The medals and certificates of shortlisting, honorable mention, and medals will be sent to participants addressed by courier. Participants are requested to fill in their postal address with landmark, if any, while participating in competition. Participants should write their full and correct name in the contest form, as this name will appear in all certificates. To participate in the contest, you have to first register as a new participant. After you submit this form, to continue with the submission process, the process will begin. You have to read the terms and conditions for participating. You have to write your full name, email ID, mobile number, and birth date. After that, you may submit the artwork. For existing participants, you may log in with your email ID in which a OTP number, that is a one-time password, will be sent to your email ID. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to Kavita is here. May I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel, and please don't unsubscribe. See you in the next video. Bye friends. See you.